This is agh. What is it? Agh. Okay. Now I am removing this hamza. Okay. Now I am writing ya in starting. Okay. This is ya ghain zabar. Yagha not yagh. Ghain will be sakin. Okay. Yagh. Yigh. Yogh. So this is yagh. So what is it here? Ya ghain zabar. So ya ghain zabar. Right now I told you. Ya yagh ra pesh. Ra zabar. Look at. No. Hamza. No. Hamza ra zabar ar. Okay. Look at this. Hamza ra zabar ar. Hamza ra zir. Yeah. Ar ir or. Okay. Now I am changing this hamza. Okay. This hamza I am removing. Okay. This hamza I am removing. Okay. I remove. Now I am writing for you here ra again another ra. Okay. Ra pesh. Like hamza ra zabar ar, hamza ra zir ir, hamza ra pesh ur. So ra zabar rar, ra zir rir, ra pesh rur. Got it? Yeah. So what is it here? Ya ghain zabar yagh, ra pesh rur not. One time just rur. Yeah. Yagh rur. What is it? Yagh rur. Rur. Yeah, one time just hamza ra zabar ar, hamza ra zir ir, hamza ra pesh ur. Now change hamza. In starting put ra. So ra zabar rar, ra zir rir, ra pesh yaghrur. Now what is it? Next one.